Hi, I'm gonna show you 5 different female faces with their names, each lasting a second. At the end, you are expected to tell me their names once I show you the faces again. Alright, you have just 1 second for each image. This is the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, stop. I believe you have memorized these images. Now I will show you the same images again for you to tell me the names that were written for those images. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, so put down in the comment section below how many of these images did you get correctly? How many of them did you get correctly? Now, what if I gave you some little details about each of these pictures? You will see that your memory will significantly improve. The first one is sunshine. You can see a ray of light beside her. The second one is Lisa. She has thick lips. The third one is Fatima. She is on the plumpy side of life. The fourth one is Nkiruka. In Igbo, Nkiru means big forehead. The fifth one looks like a mother. We call her Neka. Now I will take the liberty of showing you these images in any direction I choose, and you will shock yourself because you will be able to get them correctly. Now let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can see if you wrote down your answers, comment below in the comment section how many you got correctly this time around and compare it with what you got in the first time. You can see a significant improvement. So go ahead and subscribe to understand how you can apply this same principle to your personal study. Alright, this is a genius level memory hack and it's so easy when you understand how it works. Go ahead and subscribe. See you at the top.